is the father of Nolita's baby? The paternity test results were read in front of the whole family Sokhulu, but Umamnomsa does not seem to believe them. Ngapha uSolomzi was worried, thinking that the baby is his. He even insisted that Nolita does not keep the baby. While they're celebrating, Uvaqi sent his people to come and shoot at Uchuma nomndeni wakhe. Ngapha uNandi got robbed and attacked and got saved by Usabela. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So Nolita has decided that the paternity test results are going to be read in front of the whole family of Uchuma Sokhulu, because if they read them by one, they're not going to believe them. Already bamgceka, they don't like her, especially uMamnomsa akamthandi vele uNolita at all. So Nolita is insisting that we're going to call a family meeting. So afunde khona. Uchuma thinks uJasmine, I just want peace, man. Angifuni yonke le drama yakho yenza yathi cha. Bangihlazile umndeni wakho angifuni, they need to know. They send she sends a message to Nandi saying they must come kwaSokhulu. There's an announcement that she wants to make. Now they're wondering yani. Solomzi goes there, but Nandi is still closing up Shisanyama. So Solomzi came alone. Did not know what the announcement is about. Utenju tells him phela she's coming to announce ama results of paternity test. Angasapanic uSolomzi goes to Nolita ukuthi how wena, what games are you playing? Ufuna ungihlaza yini? Athi yazi anginasikhathi ama-games mina sengizoba umama manje. uSolomzi had even told uNolita to get rid of the baby because he does not want the baby to ruin umshado wakhe noNandi. But uNolita's like, the truth will set us free. Akamtsheli ukuthi yeyi wena, things have taken a turn for the west, for the better. Umntwana akusiyena owakho. They gather up ke, even had a nice setup as a family. Ukuthi uchuma kafunde ke ma-test results ye-DNA paternity test. Afunde ke uchuma asho ama-results ukuthi the person that got tested is 99% the father of the baby. So ingane ekachuma asho uchuma ukuthi ingane yakhe. You could just see ukuthi he's in disbelief because all this time uchuma thought ukuthi akananzalo, he's infertile, he cannot have kids. Angasajabulanga uNolita, seeing ukuthi uchuma ujabulile, and the whole family was just happy for him. Bamcongratulate ukuthi siyakubongela and all, but uMamnomsa is not happy about this whole thing. Seems like she's doubting the whole thing ukuthi umntana ngempela okachuma. uMathiriso was like, hayi sidinga umuntu ozoverify ozoconfirm the results are indeed true. Bese celebrates ke Uvaqi sent his people to come and shoot at the Sokhulu family nochuma. Gunshots are flyer. Everyone was just scared. Gunshots started flying. Waqeda ke ekugcineni, but lucky enough no one was shot. Athi Uvaqi said, I must tell you that it's about to go down. So kuningi ekusazoyenzeka. Now uchuma realizes ukuthi sure. So this whole time Uvaqi asithumela abantu uzohlasela umndeni wami. Ngapha uNandi is getting attacked. uNandi got robbed after closing the Ishisanyama. And this person that robbed her seems like uNiko. But she was saved by and took her ring. She was saved by Usabelo and took her to hospital. Usabelo also got attacked. Well, this person looks exactly like uNiko, yes. Ngapha uBabujafta has started a rehab center for the boys, Onyiko, Nopara boy, and even called Usabelo to come and tell them there's no benefit in being a street person, a kokeli, you end up in prison and all that. Uvelapi also spoke and said he used to do all these things, crazy things, but now he has changed his life. We see boxer champion, and he is now the deputy president Escole in University. So Nje, you can change your life, says what he believes in Niko and can change his life. uNiko, the next thing is fighting with abantu lapha. Kanti Nandi had warned uJafta, yes, when you start something like this, you need to have this thing registered so you can have doctors and police and all those things, because going goes lentole. What if people die on your watch? Which after that, let succeed. I mean, I'm doing fine, I'm fine. And then the next thing, uNiko is fighting people, fighting one of the boys, Lapayana, and uJafta was not happy about that at all. Was only for Niko to now attack uJafta. Imagine attacking the whole instructor. Now uJafta is worried ukuthi wenzani wena. And then uMathiriso finds uBulelani no Ponpon Balwa. They're fighting for her because uBulelani no Ponpon are always fighting for uMathiriso. Ponpon does not want to accept ukuthi uMathiriso married uBulelani. uBulelani still feels jealous ngoPonpon because Ponpon no Mathiriso they are friends. As abathatha bavalele endlini as nasihlaza fighting like kids, you need to sort out le nto yenu. Abakhele endlini to sort out their issues until they spoke bathi hayi abatshela ukuthi uyazini wena Ponpon, you need to know ukuthi uBulelani is my husband. Wena Bulelani, you need to know that uPonpon is my friend. So both of you nisempilweni yami, you need to deal with it. I overseas Hashem, they sorted out their issues and now they're fine. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.